I should have did a video on the rear and front controller replacement. You know, I did do a video. I forgot. I don't know if I deleted it or not. I'll show it to you guys. But that was terrible. I had to replace the rear. First, it sent me the wrong rear. It was like the first version of this Mantis. And then second time, they only gave me the rear. Sometimes they give you a front and a rear. But they want to test the rear first, and you know, they don't want to send two, they don't have to. But it sent me the rear, and then I put it in, and then the front motor didn't spin. And then we did troubleshooting where we put the hall sensor and the other motor to the front, and then we were able to get the front wheel spinning, but only the front using the rear controller. So they had to send me a new front controller for that to work. So I usually do a star shape to screw these in. It's pretty common, kind of like lug nuts. That's tight. That is tight. That is tight. This one feels like it's almost there. I had to buy so many tools to get this shit working with the brakes and stuff, but it is all worth it because this, dude, you farted next to me again? Shh, bro, you gotta move. I do not want to smell fart for the next 20 minutes. Sorry, bro. Deal with it. Oh, you know what? There's some few things I gotta do first. I gotta put this thing in. So this latches right here. So these two pins keep it in place so it doesn't fall off the fucking rim, all off the fork. I mean, and I would say it does a good job, because what happens is it holds it together. I think I need to make it wider. Shit. Yeah, I just gotta go wider. At least a few more centimeters. Maybe millimeters. That is too small. Okay. Oh, you know what? There's a fucking gap right there. This thing's not all the way in. That would be bad. What happened? I already cut myself. Oh well. What the hell? I can see that it's not all the way in. There's a gap there. It must be due to this. Damn it. So, which one is it? This one? I don't want it to get pinched either. Yeah. Fuck, I missed it. It didn't go in. It didn't even go in. Hope I didn't pinch the fucking inner tube. Alright. That does not feel good. See, that is all the way out. Damn it. That's totally my fault. So everything is out of loose. Can't believe it even allowed me to go that far. Okay. Whoops. That can happen, guys. I thought I had it all the way in. That is very sad. I should have looked. I should have looked.